Assalamu alaikum, dear stars of Jannah. Welcome to our new series where we explore the entire life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the mercy to mankind. Today, we begin with his miraculous birth and early years. In the year 570 CE, a powerful army led by Abraham approached Makkah to destroy the Kaaba. Allah protected his house by sending birds ababil. That pelted the army with stones of baked clay, destroying them. This miraculous year is known as the Year of the Elephant, the year our beloved Prophet was born. He was born on the 12th of Rabi al-Awwal in the noble tribe of Quraysh. His father Abdullah passed away before his birth, and he was named Muhammad by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib, meaning the praised one. As per Arab tradition, he was sent to the desert to be nursed. Halima took him in, and her household was blessed with prosperity. At around 6 years old, his mother Amina took him to visit Medina, but fell ill and died on the return journey. The young orphan was then cared for by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib, who passed away 2 years later. His uncle Abu Talib then took him in and protected him like his own son. Even from childhood, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was marked by divine care. His life teaches us resilience, trust in Allah, and the value of patience in hardship. Stay tuned for episode 2, The Honest Youth and Marriage to Khadijah.